If your Venmo account has been restricted, you may want to appeal the decision. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Review the notification. Check your email or the Venmo app for any notifications regarding the restriction. Understand the reason provided for the restriction, as this will help you address the issue in your appeal. Step 2. Gather relevant information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your account details, transaction history, and any communications from Venmo. This documentation will support your case during the appeal. Step 3. Contact Venmo support. Reach out to Venmo's customer support through the app or their website. Use the Contact Us section to find the appropriate channels for submitting your appeal. Thoroughly explain your situation and provide any supporting information you gathered. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If instructed, submit a formal appeal through the designated process. Be concise and factual in your explanation, addressing the reasons for the restriction and why you believe it should be lifted. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email and the app for updates from Venmo. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with customer support to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Venmo. Good luck.